had this dream growing up of being an explorer, reading of those that would go and discover new places, go home, tell stories of new worlds that they'd found. In this day and age, it's almost impossible to find places like that. Everything has been touched, everything has been photographed. This place is a dream come true for all of us. We're walking on lands that are yet to be explored by the rest of the world. It hasn't been discovered, it hasn't been captured. It hasn't been experienced like we're experiencing it. And it's been a privilege to bring that story to life. How special it is to have our eyes open to how beautiful it is out here. How much life there is, how different it is to what people think and expect. It broke all assumptions I had about a place like this, and has allowed me a chance to live out that dream. NEOM has blown my mind in every way.